Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Premiere Pro, and in this video I will show you how to check the number of RAM your Premiere Pro are actually using from your PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Edit tab, then come down to your preferences right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to General right here. So under the General tab, what you want to do right here is to make sure you navigate to memory right here. So under the memory right here, you have the available RAM installed on your PC, and you have reserve RAM by your Premiere Pro, and you have the number of RAM using by your Premiere Pro. So right now, this particular version of Premiere Pro is using 11 gig RAM as far as this is concerned. So if you have issue of nagging editing or export, this may fix the problem. What you need to do is to make sure that you install a Premiere Pro version that are compatible with your RAM. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Premiere Pro for video editing, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.